Every home gains elegance with the perfect carpet beneath its floors, becoming an essential part of family life. At Miras Carpets, we specialize in traditional carpet washing and cleaning services, ensuring hygiene and well-being. We proudly present our complete deep cleaning process, performed with patience, expert craftsmanship, and natural methods. Skilled craftsmen receive the carpet, sundry it upside down for hours, loosening deep dust and preparing it for washing process. Once ready, the carpet is gently beaten with traditional wooden hammers, removing deep dust while preserving integrity of the weave. Clean raw water is gently sprinkled by bucket, without pressure, keeping the carpet safe and undisturbed. At this stage, traditional wooden and metal tools, natural soaps, and selected ingredients are used. The first wash removes loose dirt, followed by a second wash lifting deep stains and restoring a denser, healthier carpet pile. Natural soaps and ingredients are mixed thoroughly in buckets of water to create an effective cleaning solution. The prepared solution is gently sprinkled across the entire carpet. The surface is brushed from all sides, while the tassels and fringes are cleaned manually with special attention. Gentle foot pressure is then used to work the solution deep into the carpet fibers, allowing the natural ingredients to reach the pores without harming the carpet. The carpet is left to rest for a few hours. Afterward, traditional tools are again used to wipe the carpet carefully in both directions for several hours. This washing process is repeated as required, depending on the age, condition, and level of dirt in the carpet, ensuring the best possible results. After washing, the carpet is dried naturally under shade for several days. This slow drying process protects the fibers and helps maintain the carpet's original strength and beauty. Once fully dried, the carpet is carefully inspected and returned to the store, fresh, clean, and restored to its natural elegance after deep cleaning. After completing these processes, the carpet is prepared for restoration using the necessary tools and precisely matched threads. Mr. Khan, a highly experienced carpet restoration craftsman, begins this delicate work patiently and methodically. Using traditional restoration methods, skilled craftsmen carefully repair carpets with hand tools and matching threads, preserving original patterns, strengthening fibers, and restoring beauty while respecting the carpet's heritage and craftsmanship. The result is a beautifully restored, soft, clean, and hygienic carpet that enhances the elegance of your floor.